Okay, it's real. For a second I thought it was a statue, but these all are real. Look! Oh my god, I'm like 2 feet away from them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samaira, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like that button. So today we are going to the bird park, Essel World. I'm very excited. There are gonna be lots of birds. For the goggles, and we used to retrieve lots of birds. So pretty. The seagulls were squeaking like so much. There's so many seagulls over there. There's so many in the queue. We are watching the seagulls go. They literally look like ducks. Some of them are ducks, some of them are seagulls, and we cannot wait to pick them out. Here's some apples because people are feeding them. We're going from that boat. That's our boat. I'm so excited. TikTok, we are about to get off. There's a big pagoda over there. Look at that. Beautiful. It's on construction. Wow. I found a boat. Noha Sang is now Mohana Sang. We are here at the City of Carnival. Yay! We're gonna go to the standstill and then we're gonna go. Look at the beautiful little peacock over there. I'll show you guys. Cute fountain here. See? It's a cute fountain. Wow. It's so cute. We're going now to a train. So I'll see you at the train. Whee! This is our train. Yay! Now we're going to be going in a bus. From the bus, we're going to go to the park. But sadly we missed the show, but we still get to see some birds. Yay! This is the bus. And the outside. And it's so beautiful here. Look at that. Beautiful. The bird park. We're going to be going to the trains around, and then we're going to be seeing all of the birds. So come on. Look at that bird. Oh wow, that's so cool. It's a grey goose. Oh wow. I don't know what that is, but it's so beautiful. Oh, here's one. Oh my god, that's so... Oh my god. There's so many. You can go up there. We're going to go up there. Oh my god. That's so cool. What's the noise? Oh, that's a fly. Oh my god, it's flying, it's flying, it's flying, it's flying. Okay, we're going to go to the next one. Oh my god, we're going to go into this treehouse. Yeah. Let's go into it. We're in the treehouse right now. Wow. Look at that treehouse. We're in the same treehouse like that. Exact same treehouse. If you can see that, that's their houses. Some more birds over there down. There's some more birds. Look at the birds over there. Oh my god, there are 2 sitting over there. And no, 3. And there are their houses. Oh my god, they're so good. So let's go now to the next one. Hi guys, how are you enjoying? I am enjoying a lot. There's so many different sounds. It's so interesting. Now we're going to go to the next one. Over here, I think it's something to do with this much height. I don't know. So let's go and see. If you can hear, there's a parrot. Oh my god. How are we supposed to? You can hear the parrot. It's there. If you can see the parrot, comment down below. See there, right? I'm filming it. Oh my god, you can see the parrot, guys. You can see the parrot. I can't believe I'm catching this on camera. Wow. There's a parrot. It's a grey and red parrot. By parrots. Woo! Oh, they're so cute. Can you hear them? Oh my god, they are so cute. Oh my god, oh my god. Look at the baby one. This is the baby. Oh no, what happened to its wing? Oh, that's very sad. This is a baby right here. I think these are the adults, but that's the baby. So these are going over there. And we have more birds. Wow, that's so beautiful, that one. There are some of these ones and some of that one. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, that one's going. They all are going upstream. Wow. I also want to follow them because they are our friends. They're leading us to more birds actually. Yeah, that's the trick. We're going. Let's go. See? So they're drinking water over there. This one's going too. Look at the baby drinking water. They're drinking water. Hi! Oh my god, there's an ostrich. There's a. It's coming towards me. Oh my god. Guys, this is an ostrich.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is a hunter bird.
Oh my god. This is huge. These are huge. Oh my god. Mama? Mom? Mom! Hi! Oh my god, it's coming after me. I'm so scared. By the way, while this is happening, oh my god! Papa? And over there it's eating. Can you see? Oh my god, I'm so scared. So they are eating over there. Oh no, another one's coming. I think this one's just picking up leaves. And now it's eating. I don't know what it's doing. It's poking the sand. Oh my god, this is so beautiful.
Zoom in.
There's an egg. An ostrich baby is going to come out now. There's an egg. And there's another. Wow. That's where they live, by the way. And that's them. Oh my god, it's huge. Are you gonna eat food? Nope. Are you? Nope. Is that egg going to? No. Where? Okay, hold on guys, 1 second. Hi. Hello, lovebirds. Wow, these are so beautiful. Next bird. I'm always getting confusing bird of the bird and animal. I don't know why. Wow. Now we're gonna go to the next bird. Okay, so the lovebirds are still sitting there. Oh my god, they're so beautiful together. Oh my god.
Beautiful
Oh my god. 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 Beautiful bird. 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 So many birds. Oh my god, Papa! Papa!
Wow.
Hi. Oh, hi. Hi. Yes, hi. We don't forget about you. What's in this cage? Oh, parrot. We have parrots in that cage. A green and a red parrot.
Samaira, one outside, one inside.
Out. This is an inside one. That's an inside. That's the outside. Wow. And they both are trying to eat. What is that?
That's a macaw, no? No. Macaw is the king. Old animal is
Oh, hi. Now we're gonna go. Oh, we have a blue one. Run! 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 Next, we have this one. What do we have? There. That is cool. Okay, now can you guys see this? Okay, who do we have in this cage? Are you going on over here? Found another peahen. Found another peahen!
Samaira, let's take a picture now.
I found a peahen! I found a peahen! That is so cool! Wow, that is very cool! We found the person who's making the noise. The macaw up there, but you can't see it, guys. Like, you are not able to see it. More macaws! Macaw. Very beautiful. Looks like a baby macaw. That bird, two big adult macaws. They are chopping like anything. It's so loud. Okay, next. This side. This one. Run. And this one. What's in this cage? Right, those two parrots. Then this cage. Oh. That thing! What is that thing? It's a palm cockroach. Palm cockroach. It's not moving. Huh? Oh my god, it's moving. I'm so scared. What's in this cage? Look there. We're gonna go there. Let's go. Wow. It's the end of the vlog. How did you like the vlog? I loved it a lot. Over here are my friends the ostriches. We are just hanging out with them because they're very cool and we love them, right? Hi! Look at the ostriches' feathers and we saw many others. It was so much fun. But if you like this vlog, then give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.